Hello everyone. Welcome again to this series of Japanese grammar learning. Today we are going to learn demonstratives of place. Okay. After learning kore, sore, are, then kono, sono, ano, which are the demonstratives for things. Today we are going to learn demonstratives for place. Okay. Let me share my screen and we will start. Yes. So as we use kore, sore, are or kono, sono, ano for things, we use koko, soko, asoko and doko for different places. Koko is here, soko is there, asoko is over there, and doko is where. Let's understand this better with this picture. Now this is the speaker and this is the listener. When the object is near to both of them, when the object is near to both speaker and listener, you're going to use the word koko. The speaker is going to use the word koko. When the object is away from the speaker, then the demonstrative used is soko. And when the object is away from both of them, then it is asoko. The question is doko. So this is the example sentence. Noun wa koko desu. Or you can put something as a noun like kyoshitsu wa koko desu. Kyoshitsu wa soko desu. Yubin kyoku wa asoko desu. Byoin wa doko desu ka? When you are asking a question with doko, definitely you have to add question particle ka. So this is the basic pattern. Noun va, noun des. Okay. And these are the demonstratives for places. So you can frame a small dialogue. If you want to ask about particular place, Yubin kyoku wa doko desu ka? Asoko desu. This person A is asking, Yubin kyoku wa doko desu ka? This person is answering as over there is asoko desu. This is, for example, you are looking at the map but you are not able to understand where the particular place is. You are searching for a specific address. Then you can ask the name of that place. Say Kobe Byoin wa doko desu ka? Where is the Kobe Byoin? Kobe Hospital. Okay, so this phrase definitely you can use when you are asking about particular place. So this is a small exercise which we are going to do now. You have to ask a question for these things, like these places. Kaigishitsu is meeting room. Toire is restroom. Jimusho is office. And kyoshitsu is classroom. This you can say as jimusho or uketsuke, reception. If it is a reception desk, you can say uketsuke. Okay. Now this person is coming here, is asking to this person. First question is, Kaigishitsu wa doko desu ka? Kaigishitsu wa doko desu ka? This person will answer koko desu because it's just near to her, just next to her. She will say koko desu. Toire wa doko desu ka? Now this is away from both of them. Then she will say asoko desu. Asoko desu. Jimusho wa doko desu ka? Maybe it is near to this person. This person is standing here. So she can say soko desu. It's there. Soko desu. Kyoshitsu wa doko desu ka? Again, this is away from both of them. So it has to be asoko desu. Have you understood the basic question pattern? Particular place wa doko desu ka? Answer can be anything like koko, soko or asoko. Now, as we have learned koko, soko, asoko, similarly, there are demonstratives kochira, sochira and achira. Now, when these demonstratives are used, they are more specific for directions. Okay, so they are also used to refer to a location when it is in the polite context. So when you are speaking in more formal setting, rather than using koko, soko or asoko, it's always better to use kochira, sochira or achira. But these demonstratives also refer to a direction in a more specific way. Okay. Now, doko and dochira. These are interrogatives. Question words, doko and dochira. So, this is used for place, or sometimes there is a other context which is there when doko or dochira is used. Okay, when you are asking about particular, like which company the person belongs to, or you are from which country, okay, or which school, in that context also we use this interrogative doko. Gakko wa doko desu ka? Kaisha wa doko desu ka? This means which company you belong to or which school you belong to. Okay. Kaisha wa dochira desu ka? Same question in a formal way. In more polite setting, you can say Kaisha wa dochira desu ka? So these are the interrogatives doko and dochira. Now, to summarize what we learned till now in demonstratives, this is a table giving you a summary of demonstratives starting with ko, so, a. When you are referring to an object, demonstratives are kore, sore, are. When you are referring to an object or person, kono, sono, ano. If you remember, kono, sono, ano are the demonstratives which are always used with the noun. Then for place, it's going to be koko, soko, asoko. And direction is kochira, sochira, achira. Sometimes place in formal context is going to be kochira, sochira or achira. Now this is a special column, kochi, sochi, achi. These are the words which are used in casual spoken language. So this is in friends or in family, it's okay to use these words. Kochira, kochi, sochira, sochi, achira, achi. So kochi, sochi and achi are the casual words equivalent to kochira, sochira and achira. So in the dialogue, in the conversation, mostly you will get to listen to these words, kochi, sochi, achi, when it's a informal discussion. Okay. Yes. So that's all. Today we learned demonstratives for place, that is koko, soko, asoko. Question is doko, or kochira, sochira, achira. Question is dochira. And we have seen the summary of these ko, so, a, do demonstratives for object, person, place or direction. Yes, I'm sure this is going to help you to remember these demonstratives. If you have any questions, you can comment below, or if you can definitely try to quote some examples using these demonstratives, or try to frame dialogues in question answer format. I would love to see your comments and I will definitely reply on your comments. So please don't forget to comment and practice more and more. Start using these words in your daily conversations right now. Okay? Yes. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.